Hello everyone, let's learn how to download PayPal app on your phone. PayPal is an online payment system that allows you to send and receive money around the world. You can link your bank account, credit card, or debit card. You can also have a balance in your PayPal account. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, you need to have any web browser on your phone, because we will not use basic Play Store or App Store to download it. So open a web browser you want. I will go on Chrome. After that, go on search bar and type download PayPal app. Then scroll down to find an application for download on Play Store section. When you find that, you need to go on first PayPal application for send, shop and manage with money. Now I have come to Play Store and go to download app by tapping on install. If you can't download application, first you need to download some VPN and run VPN, and again go to download PayPal on some way, and that is it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.